All right, this is Module 3, Lesson 3, 5th grade homework help. There's our homework. And let's get started. It says, solve by drawing the rectangle fraction models. Boys and girls, this is easy. You draw a rectangle. Let me do it by hand. 2 of them. About the same size. First one, you're going to divide vertically. So this one I'm going to divide by 2 because it says here, so now I have 2 parts. Over here on this second one, I'm going to divide by 5. Now I have 5 parts and I'm going to shade in 1 part. How do I know 1? Because it says 1 right there. Over here it says 1 right there on the numerator. So I'm going to shade in 1 part. Next step, I am going to do exactly what I did on my second one. I'm going to go and I am going to divide this one by 5 sections. This is why we want them to be close to the same size. So hopefully you see now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. All right, so my new one on this side, this used to be a half, and now it is 5/10. How do I know 5/10? Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 twice. Can't see this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 total sections. So I have 5/10, which is 1/2. I'm going to add that, and over here on the second one, I'm going to divide it by half. So you see, this goes here. So I'm dividing it in half. Sorry about this. I'll take this time to eat my lunch. Excuse me if you hear my crunching. All right, so we just lost a little bit. Again, this is 5/10, and we're going to add over here. We're going to take this in half. How do I know? Because I do the same thing that I did over here, and that gives me 2 sections out of 10, 2/10. And that's going to give me 7/10 as my answer. All right, then move over to here. We had A and B for homework, so I'm going to do C and D. Again, draw 2 rectangles. First thing you do, draw 2 rectangles. First one is fourths. So I'm going to cut it into fourths vertically. I'm going to shade in 1 of them because it says 1 on top. On the next one, I'm going to cut it into 6. There's thirds. I'm going to cut those in half. And now I have 6. And now I have 1/6. I have 6 sections and 1 of them shaded in. Alright, so now I'm going to take this and extend it. So now I'm going to cut this into 5 pieces by drawing 4 lines. Six pieces by drawing 5 lines, excuse me. Okay, and now at first I had 1/4, and now I have 6 24ths. Some of you might be saying, how do you know so quick? Well, there's 6 going this way and 4 this way. 6 times 4 is 24. Okay, so now I'm going to do the vertical lines over here. Cut it into 4ths by drawing 3 lines. All right, and I'm going to add that. There's 4 sections here. So this is 4 24ths. Again, there's 6 going over here, so 4 times 6 is 24. So now I have 4 24ths, and that gives me 10 24s. If you remember to simplify it, you can divide both of these by 2. They're both even numbers. It'll be 5 12ths. You won't do that on all of them, but if you can, remember to do it. Again, start off by drawing 2 rectangles. Divide the first one by 5s here to create fifths. Shade in whatever the numerator is, the top number, one of them. On the second one, we're going to do ninths. Oh, this is going to be work. All right, and I'm going to shade in one section. Okay, I did 9. So now I'm going to do 9 over here. There's my thirds, and I'm going to cut my thirds into thirds. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 going this way, and I have 5 going this way. So I have a total of 45. Okay, and I had 9 shaded in here. All right, I'm going to do my green one over here and divide it into groups of 5. Okay, so I basically did the same thing that I did with the green on the other side, and I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down here and 9 over here, so that's 45 again. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces shaded in, and then we have 14 45. 9 plus 5 is 14, and the 45 stays the same. Now, can I simplify this? Nope. Divide by 7? Nope. Divide by 2? Nope. By 1? Of course. 14? Nope. Okay, but it was close. All right. Do one word problem. Raja jogged 3/4 and then walked 1/6 mile to cool down. How far did he travel? Again, we're going to draw 2 rectangles. The first one we're going to divide into fourths. And we're going to shade in 3. Because there's a 3 on top. Next one, we're going to shade in 6. Or cut it into 6. Oops, went too far. And we're going to shade in, oops, I did it the wrong way, huh? Let me do it again. Wrong way. And this time I'm shading in 1. All right. Now I'm going to take my red and I'm going to cut this into 6 also. That's thirds, half of that. Make me into third, 6. Okay. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 across here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down this way. Okay. So that gives me 24. And let's see, I have 3 lines of 6, gives me 18. So if I go up to here, I have 3 times 6 is 18. Okay, and now I'm going to do the fourths on this one. And it's going to give me 4 24s. I'm going to add them. And that's going to give me 22 24ths. So they almost went a mile, or 11 twelfths of a mile. All right, so there it is. He traveled 22 24ths mile or 11 12ths mile. Either way. All right, hopefully that's helpful. Bonus word. Salad.